Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Feyisetan for those of you guys that don't know me. So today's video is all about how I moisturize my 4C natural hair using the LOC method. What you're going to need is a leave-in conditioner, oil, cream, and the LOC, like LOC. So I'm also going to be making use of a white tooth comb, my homemade scrunchie, and some butterfly clips. Yeah, so first things first, I take out the section of the hair I want to moisturize and put the remainder of my hair away. As you can see, so the first thing I do is I fluff up my ends because as you can see, they're kind of shriveled up and they're kind of like fuzzy. So I do that before doing anything else. So guys, the one thing I like to do is I lightly and gently finger detangle my hair as I go with each application of the products before finally using the white tooth comb to go over any knots that might still be present. So as you can see, I'm making sure to work in the products properly into my hair because obviously like that's the purpose of moisturizing your hair. You want to make sure the products like sink into your hair and your strands. As you can see guys, I'm combing my hair from the ends gently, like you literally can't comb your hair from the roots because you're going to be causing more problems for yourself. So what you're going to do is you comb your hair gently from the roots, from the ends, sorry, and then you continue working your way back up till you get to your roots. When you're done combing your hair, you then twist that section to keep your hair protected to seal in the products that we've just applied. As you can see now guys, my hair is all shiny and juicy and literally thanking because yeah. So here now I'm going to be showing you guys once more. I take out the section of the hair I want to work on. I apply my leave-in conditioner. I lightly finger detangle just a tad. I then apply my oil, and in this case I'm using a coconut oil. Again guys, you literally don't have to use the products I'm using in this video. You can use any products of your choice. Like, it's your preference. Find what works for you and you use them. I then go in with my cream, and then when I'm done applying my cream, I go in with my white tooth comb and very lightly, very lightly, because again we need to be very careful, especially when it comes to our hair and most importantly our edges. So as you can see guys, I went ahead to do the rest of my hair off camera, and my hair, as you can see, is fully moisturized and protected at the same time. I hope you all enjoyed this quick tutorial. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also like this video, share and comment regarding any sort of videos you guys would like to see from me, and I'll speak to you guys next time. Bye guys. Mwah.